Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about piecewise functions. So now I will show you how to answer. About the first one, we have negative number 2 and we see that negative number 2 is smaller than positive number 1. So the value should belong to this one in here. Now I will put negative number 2 going here to find the value of f of negative number 2. So after putting negative number 2 going here, and we have the final answer. That is about negative 19. The next one, positive number 1. We see that s is greater or equals to number 1. So number 1 should belong to this one. So we put number 1 going here to find the value of f of number 1. So for this one, we have negative number 9. And the next one, we know that positive number 3 is greater than number 1 in here. So number 3 belongs to this one. And now we have the final answer. That is about negative 89. This is the end. Thank you for watching.